Alright, so you're telling me a toaster can now think better than I can? That's not intimidating at all. AI is the new genius on the block, and it's here to stay. Let's dive into how these metal brains are taking over and, surprisingly, helping us humans in different fields. 1. Healthcare. Dr. Robot. We'll see you now. Imagine walking into a hospital and being greeted by a robot nurse. No, it's not sci-fi. It's real life. AI in healthcare is revolutionary. These robots can diagnose diseases faster than any doctor. AI analyzes tons of medical data to predict outbreaks and suggest treatments. It's like having Dr. House and Dr. Watson combined, but without the snarky remarks. Plus, AI is helping with surgeries too. Robotic surgeons can perform delicate operations with precision, making fewer mistakes than their human counterparts. So, next time you see a robot in a lab coat, just know it's there to save lives, not to replace your Netflix recommendations. 2. Transportation, the self-driving car revolution. Remember when driving meant using a map and hoping you didn't end up in a ditch? Those days are over, thanks to AI. Self-driving cars are the future, and they're getting smarter by the minute. These cars use AI to navigate, avoid obstacles, and even park themselves. They learn from every trip to improve safety and efficiency. Imagine chilling in the back seat while your car drives you to work. No more road rage, no more honking, just pure relaxation. Plus, AI in transportation isn't just limited to cars. Planes, trains, and even ships are getting AI upgrades to make travel safer and more efficient. It's like having your own personal chauffeur, but without the awkward small talk. 3. Finance, your personal money manager. Gone are the days of stuffing cash under your mattress. AI is here to manage your money better than any human ever could. AI algorithms can predict stock market trends, manage investments, and even prevent fraud. Imagine an AI that knows when to buy and sell stocks to maximize your profits. It's like having a Wall Street guru in your pocket. AI can also help with budgeting and saving. It analyzes your spending habits and suggests ways to save money. So, if you're terrible at managing your finances, don't worry. Your friendly neighborhood AI has got your back. 4. Customer service. The rise of chatbots. Ever had a frustrating customer service experience? Enter AI-powered chatbots, the unsung heroes of customer service. These bots can handle thousands of inquiries simultaneously, providing instant responses to common questions. They never sleep, never get tired, and never have a bad day. Need help with your online order at 3 a.m.? No problem. The chatbots got you covered. They use natural language processing to understand and respond to your queries, making interactions smooth and efficient. And the best part? No hold music. 5. Entertainment. Personalized everything. AI is transforming how we consume entertainment. From Netflix recommending the perfect show to Spotify curating your dream playlist, AI knows what you like. It analyzes your preferences and behaviors to suggest content tailored just for you. Ever wonder how Netflix knows you'll love that obscure documentary about competitive dog grooming? It's all thanks to AI. These systems learn from your viewing habits and constantly improve their recommendations. So, while AI might be outsmarting us, at least it's making sure we're never bored. 6. Education, the ultimate tutor. Forget boring textbooks. AI is revolutionizing education. AI-powered tools can personalize learning experiences, adapting to each student's pace and style. Struggling with algebra? An AI tutor can provide extra practice and explanations until you get it. These systems can identify your strengths and weaknesses, offering targeted support where you need it most. Plus, AI can grade assignments and provide feedback faster than any human teacher. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to help you ace that next exam. 7. Retail, the smart shopping experience. AI is changing the way we shop. From personalized recommendations to virtual fitting rooms, AI makes shopping more convenient and enjoyable. Online stores use AI to suggest products based on your browsing history and preferences. Ever wondered how Amazon always knows what you need? That's AI at work. Some stores are even using AI-powered robots to assist with inventory management and customer service. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your style better than you do. Plus, AI can predict trends and manage stock, ensuring you never miss out on the latest must-have item. 8. Environment, saving the planet. AI isn't just making our lives easier, it's also helping save the planet. AI can analyze data from satellites, sensors, and other sources to monitor environmental changes. This helps scientists predict natural disasters, track endangered species, and manage resources more effectively. AI-powered systems can optimize energy usage, reducing waste and lowering emissions. From smart grids to precision agriculture, AI is playing a crucial role in creating a more sustainable future. So, while robots might be outsmarting us, at least they're doing it for a good cause. 9. Agriculture. Feeding the future. Farmers are now teaming up with AI to boost their crop yields and make farming more efficient. AI can analyze soil health, predict weather patterns, and even detect diseases in plants before they become a problem. Imagine a drone flying over field, using AI to identify which areas need water or fertilizer. This precision farming means less waste and more food. AI can also help with livestock management, ensuring animals are healthy and well fed. So next time you bite into a juicy apple, thank the robot that helped grow it. 10. Human resources, the AI hiring squad. Finding the perfect job candidate can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. Enter AI-powered HR tool. These systems can sift through thousands of resumes, identifying the best matches for a job. They can even conduct preliminary interviews, analyzing candidates' answers and body language to assess their suitability. This not only saves time, but also helps eliminate human biases in the hiring process. So, if you get hired by a robot, just know it's because you truly deserved it. 11. Security, the AI guardians. From cybersecurity to physical security, AI is keeping us safe. AI-powered systems can detect cyber threats in real time, protecting our data from hackers. In the physical world, AI can analyze surveillance footage, identifying suspicious behavior and alerting authorities. Imagine an AI system that can recognize a potential intruder and notify the police before anything happens. These AI guardians are making our digital and physical worlds safer, one algorithm at a time. 12. Sports, the AI coaches. Even athletes are getting a boost from AI. AI can analyze players' performance, providing insights into their strengths and weaknesses. This helps coaches develop personalized training programs to improve performance. AI can also predict the outcomes of games, helping teams develop better strategies. And for fans, AI can enhance the viewing experience by providing real-time stats and analysis. So, whether you're on the field or in the stands, AI is making sports more exciting. 13. Art and creativity, the Robo-Picassos. Believe it or not, AI can be pretty creative. AI algorithms can compose music, paint pictures, and even write stories. These AI artists analyze existing works to create new ones, often producing results that are surprisingly good. Some musicians are using AI to compose songs, while writers are using AI to generate plot ideas. So, if you ever see a painting by Robo Picasso or hear a song by DJ Algorithm, just know that robots are giving humans a run for their money in the creativity department. And that's it. Next time you use an AI-powered tool, just remember, you're in good hands, even if those hands are made of metal. Subscribe Explained